My name is Edgar Navarro. I am the CNC department lead supervisor. My job is to ensure we can make quality parts here. I started machining about 14 years ago. I was actually in sales before I got into machining. My wife was working at a CNC machine shop at that point, and she suggested I should probably pursue a career in machining. And I've been doing machining ever since. Today I just make sure I make top quality parts in a timely fashion. I am a family man. I have 4 children. I spend a lot of time with them in athletic activities. I like to do a little bit of boxing, so that's what I'm involved in. But most of the time it's with my family, whatever they want to do. A lot of sports for us. That's our free time right there. Secret sauce to what I do is staying on top of technology. CNC machining is constantly evolving, so me staying on top of tooling to accomplish certain jobs. Sometimes we get tricky parts that require specific tooling to be able to execute the job and meet customer expectations or their time frames. So staying on top of technology is really important for me in my department. I believe pen manufacturing focuses a lot on making quality parts in a timely fashion, and on top of that, the environment that we're in right now, the people around us is what helps that get accomplished. So I think the people and the technology that we have is what helps us get that product out. I think it's just growth more than anything else. Just keep learning and adapting with technology, with how it's evolving, to be able to compete in this world, in this manufacturing world. So I guess growth is more of what I'm looking for.